Hello students, Standard 8 in chapter number 9 Algebraic Expressions and Identities. In the beginning we learn about the algebraic expressions, its types, monomial, polynomial, binomial, trinomial. We learn about the terms and coefficients, etc. In the last session, we learn about the multiplication. Before that, we learn about the addition and subtraction also. In last session, we learn about the multiplication, in which we simply multiply a monomial with another monomial. Means two or more monomials were multiplied. That was very simple because we have to just multiply the coefficients and then check with the same base variables we connect together and then use the laws of power and exponent. Now moving one step ahead, we will learn to multiply a monomial by a polynomial. Means one will be the monomial and other can be a binomial, or it can be a trinomial, or it can be with the more terms also. Then how can we multiply them? For that we have to use the distributive law that we learned in previous standards also. We know that when three numbers are there, A, B and C, we know the distributive law that for any numbers A, B and C, A into bracket B plus C, here into means multiplication here. So A multiplied by B plus C. So whenever the number is outside the bracket with multiplication, that number is multiplied by the both the numbers in the bracket. It means that A multiplied by bracket B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B, that is AB, plus A multiplied by C, that is AC. So that number will be multiplied with both the numbers inside and then you write down them. Here you imagine that A can be the monomial having one term, and here B plus C means there are two terms, means it is a binomial. So A into bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So here also we have to do the same thing, that the monomial will be multiplied by the both the terms of the binomial in the bracket. The same way you have to do that. For the trinomial also, if it is like A into bracket B plus C plus D, then also what will we do? A will be multiplied with all of them, means A multiplied by AB, A multiplied by C AC, plus A multiplied by D AD. So AB plus AC plus AD. So if it is a monomial, this is a trinomial, then the monomial will be multiplied by with each term of the trinomial. And we can carry on the multiplication like that. So distributive property is very, very important here. And then we can multiply any monomial with any binomial or the trinomial, or it can be with more terms also. Let us understand with some examples. Multiply 5x with 3x plus 2. So we write down 5x. If you write down multiplication sign or does not write, also it is not important. So 5x into bracket 3x plus 2. So it is a monomial, this is a binomial having two terms. So now 5x will be multiplied with both of them, means 5x multiplied by 3x plus, here it is plus sign, then plus, if it is minus sign you have to write down minus. 5x multiplied by 2. So 5x is distributed here with both of them. So 5x multiplied by 3x plus 5x multiplied by 2. Now that we learned already in the monomial. So 5 3s are 15, x into x, x square. So 15x square, and here 5 2s are 10 and x is alone. So answer is 15x square plus 10x. Here we can take another example here. Let us understand with the minus sign also, then you will be understand more. Multiply minus 3x with 5y minus 2. So now we write down minus 3x multiplied by 5y minus 2. So now minus 3x will be multiplied with both of them. So we write down minus 3x multiplied by 5y. Here minus sign. So we will write down minus 3 minus 3x multiplied by 2. So here minus 3x is multiplied by 5y and 2 both of them. So now sign will be different. Minus and plus. So minus 3 5s are 15xy. And here both the negative signs, so negative will become positive. And 3 2s are 6x. So multiplication of that will be minus 15xy plus 6x. So whenever there is a negative sign, you will put negative sign in the middle. If it is a positive sign, you will put positive sign in the middle. Let us understand this. It is a trinomial and a monomial. A monomial and a trinomial are multiplied. So 3p multiplied by 4p square plus 5p plus 7. So here also we can apply the same distributive law. 3p will be multiplied by all those three terms. Means 3p multiplied by 4p square plus 3p multiplied by 5p plus 3p multiplied by 7. Then separately 3 4s are 12. P into p square is 1 plus 2 3. So 12p cubed plus 3 5s are 15. P into p is p square. So plus 15p square plus 3 7s are 21p. So that will be your answer. So you have to remember the distributive law, and according to that you have to multiply monomial with binomial or with the trinomial. Now we will see some examples. Simplify the expression and evaluate them as directed. So first we have to simplify them, and according to the direction we have to find the value also. First is x into bracket x minus 3 plus 2 for x is equal to 1. So here first we have to simplify it, and then finally we have to find the value of this expression by using x is equal to 1. So now we will write down here x minus 3 plus 2. Here monomial with binomial multiplication we already learned now. So that is x multiplied by x minus x multiplied by 3 plus 2. This is not should be multiplied because it is not in the bracket, it is separate term. So that will be written separately. So x into x is x square minus 3x plus 2. So that is the simplification. Now we have to put the value x is equal to 1. So now taking x is equal to 1. So we will get 1 square. Wherever there is 1, x we have to replace by 1 because the value of x is given as 1. So 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. What is the square of 1? 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. So the answer is 0. So now we will take second one. Second one is 3y bracket 2y minus 7 minus 3 bracket y minus 4. Y minus 4 and minus 63, and for y is equal to how much given? Y equals minus 2. So now first we will simplify this. 3y 2y minus 7 minus 3 y minus 4 minus 63. So here you can now use your mind. You don't have to write down all the steps. First multiply these two terms and write down the final answer. Not necessarily every time you do that, because now you know how to multiply a monomial with binomial. In the beginning you use this, but now 3y into 2y means 3 2s are 6. First check the coefficient, then y into y means y square. So 6y square. Now middle sign will be thus. Now 3y will be multiplied with 7. So 3 7s are 21. Here is y but nothing here. So 6y square minus 21y. Now this side. Minus 3 into y means 3 multiplied by y. But now here, whenever there is minus sign, middle, and you open the bracket, the sign will be changed. Means here it will be plus 3 into 4. And then minus 63. Or you have to write down directly as I told you, minus 3y minus minus plus 3 4s are 12. Now, if the like terms are, we have to add them. Minus 20y minus 3y. How much? Minus 24y. 6y square minus 24y. And now, here 12 minus 63. Here different sign, so we will subtract 63 minus 12 with negative sign. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and 6 minus 1 is 5. So 6y square minus 24y minus 51. Now you have to put value how much? Y is equal to minus 2. So taking y equals to minus 2. So 6 into bracket minus 2 square. Wherever there is y, you have to replace it by minus 2. So minus 24 into bracket minus 2 minus 51. Minus 2 square is 4. Here minus minus becomes plus. 24 2s are 48 minus 51. So 6 4s are 24. 48 minus 51 minus 3. So 24 minus 3, the answer is 21. So your answer is 21. Now there is another sum also that we have to add them. Add. What we have to add is that 5m bracket 3 minus m and 6m square minus 13m. Now here, first of all, we have to simplify this one. So 5m into 3 minus m. You know that 5 3s are 15m minus 5m into m means 5m square. Now we have to add them. Now to add them. So you know that first we will write down this 15m minus 5m square. Now for adding, we write down that term in the second row but with the same like terms in the column. So here 6m square is there. 6m square will come here. So we will write down 6m square under minus 5m square. And minus 13m will be here, minus 13m. Now 15 minus 13. 15 minus 13 is 2. So 2m plus, here minus 5 plus 6, greater minus smaller is 1. And greater number sign is plus, so plus will be there. And 1 we don't write down. So 2m plus m square. So that is the answer. Let's take another example also of adding. Second also, we will see that. Add. What is the question? Let's see. 4y bracket 3y square minus plus 5y minus 7 and the other one is 2 into bracket y cube minus 4y square plus 5. So now first we have to simplify both of them. That one is equal to 4 3s are 12 y cube because y into y square plus 4 5s are 20 and y into y is y square minus 4 7s are 28, y is only, so minus 28 y. And here it will be 2y cube minus 2 4s are 8 y square plus 2 5s are 10. Now for adding we will write down. So first we will write down 12y cube plus 20y square minus 28y. Now from that one 2y cube will be down y cube. So 2y cube minus 8y square plus 10 only, but here there is nothing. It is y. Y term is not here. So we will keep blank here and plus 10 will be at the end. Now you add 12 plus 2 is 14y cube. 20 minus 8 is 12y square. That will be as it is. And that will be also as it is because they don't have their like terms. So that's the way. So here that is the mixture, multiplication also and addition also. So here we are going to finish the session. Will be followed by PDF. And be careful doing the sum, especially when there is a minus sign, as I told you, between the brackets. Then the sign must be changed, otherwise you will get your wrong answers. Any confusion, write down in the comment section.